Are your parents planning to travel to the United States? But you are overwhelmed with the U.S. healthcare system? Fret not. OnshoreKare is here for you. We are a visitor insurance expert who can help you simplify the process of finding the right visitor insurance. And in this video, we will show you the exact step-by-step process to do that. Also, we'll show you how to get an instant quote and how our licensed agents can guide you to the perfect plan. Getting a quote is fast and requires no credit card. Here's how you do it. First, select where you'll be traveling. Is it USA only, international including USA, or international excluding USA? Tell us the traveler's citizenship status and where they currently live. If they are already in the US, simply let us know how long they've been here, whether it's less than 3 months or over 18. Use the calendar to select your start and end dates. Finally, enter the ages of the travelers. This is vital for calculating the most accurate rates. Now click Quick Quote, and instantly you'll see a range of plans from top-rated providers like IMG, WorldTrips, and Seven Corners, tailored to your specific needs. With so many options, like comprehensive versus limited coverage, or plans for pre-existing conditions, you might have a question. However, you don't have to decide alone. At OnshoreKare, we provide expert counsel. Our team consists of licensed insurance associates who understand the nuances of every policy. So whether you're confused about deductibles, PPO networks, or acute onset of pre-existing conditions, our agents are here to listen and recommend. We offer 24/7 support, so you can reach us via WhatsApp, a direct phone call, or email. At OnshoreKare, our mission is to empower you to travel with confidence. We offer a lowest price guarantee, so you know you're getting the best deal possible. So, what are you waiting for? Visit OnshoreKare.com today, generate your free quote, and let our experts help you secure your peace of mind.